Oh, hey, what are you doing here? Okay, you want to see the apartment? Well, sure, come in. You can come in. Oh, sorry. My bad. Welcome to my apartment. So we're in my living room. Just obsessed. Obsessed. I really love this living room. It's just the same size as my last apartment's living room. It's basically the same size. This one looks bigger just because like it has the balcony outside, so it feels like more spacious. And it has like more light coming in. My vision right now for the apartment is that you're going to have the TV, you're going to have the couch. I'm going probably to put like a mirror so that once like the light reflects on the mirror, the living room looks more spacious. Especially now that I have my sister with me, so it's gonna be easier for us to like furnish the apartment. The process is going to be faster. So yeah, because my last apartment, I was purchasing things pretty slowly, like. This summer hopefully is going to be really fun. I'm going to enjoy just furnishing the apartment, decorating it. I can do it. So straight from the living room, we go into the kitchen. Ta-da! Okay, let me. And voila, we're in my kitchen. This is a misplaced. The upgrade from last space to this one is just insane. I really love like the wood flooring. I love like the black and cream situation going on. Black and browns and everything are just my colors, so you can never go wrong with black and brown. I really love how spacious it is. It has lots of storage. As you can see, like it has storage here, and storage here, and here. It also has this space situation here. Like here you can put the washing machine there, and it's actually pretty spacious. So that's also good. And straight from the kitchen, we go into the first bathroom, which is actually going to be my bathroom. Because this apartment, as I said like in my last video, it has 2 bathrooms, so that's amazing. So this is the bathroom. So we're standing in my bathroom, obviously. I really love it. I love that now I have a bathtub. It has also storage for skincare. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this bathroom, obviously, just because I said so. Because my sister is going to take the bigger bedroom, and that bedroom has a bathroom and its own balcony. And you may ask me, how did you actually like agree to do that, like to leave her the bigger bedroom? Well, I'm smart. So we agreed that she will be paying more than me because she has obviously like her own bathroom and her own balcony. So we agreed that she will be paying more in terms of rent. And also, she basically not at home the whole day. Like she gets home at 10 or like 9 p.m. and I work from home, so I have like the whole apartment for myself the whole day, so I can enjoy that balcony that she is paying that she's paying for more than she will be enjoying that balcony. So you know me, I'm smart. I am smart. So yeah, I agree to get the smaller bedroom, and I'm going to have this bathroom for myself. And actually it's good because I don't want to have a shower cabin, I want to have a bathtub. From the bathroom, we're going into the rooms. And by the way, I just would love to show you like how nice it is to have like this corridor. I just love it. Like I can't wait to put like some art in here, a mirror probably. Like I can't wait to start furnishing the apartment because I can do a lot of things with the space that we have. The agency just called me just to give me a second card for the apartment, the pass card, because we need two since I'm living with my sister and they only gave me one when I got here, so they gave me the second one. This is obviously my bedroom. This bedroom is just like this space in the closet. Like the closet is really huge. Well, it's not huge, but you know, it's big. It's basically like the same size as my last apartment's closet. So yeah, basically the same thing. Here we are. So we are in my sister's bedroom. She has a bigger closet as well, which is way more spacious than mine. It's unfair. Why does she get to have this bedroom? She doesn't even spend most of the time here. She has only one day off from work, and she spends the whole day at work. So I'm like, girl, why do you need all this space for? And I just know when the answer, she's going to bring her like friends, and she wants like the balcony for herself so that she can, you know, close the door and just keep them here so they don't see me and I don't see them. I mean, I'm for real. Bedroom has this huge balcony. Good for her. As I said, I'm going to be using that balcony more than she will. Then from the bedroom, as I said, she has her own bathroom. So this is the bathroom. I'm also going to shower cabin for herself. I'm also going to be using this. Like, I'm going to be using the shower cabin for like, you know, quick showers. And I'm going to be using the bathtub when I want to relax, I want to take my time, you know what I'm saying? That's it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video and I hope that you like the apartment as well. I really can't wait to start just decorating the apartment. It's going to be really fun. Like this summer it's going to be because like finally no school and I can now like focus on my apartment, on making more content for YouTube. So yeah, it's like the right time. Can you believe them? I'm here, like I'm literally like within a year, I left my parents' house, I got my first apartment, and now I'm moving into my second apartment. This is like insane. You know, when we started the new year, and I did like my New Year's resolution, and I want like to do the whole manifestation, you know, like you write what you want to achieve for this year. And I wrote that I'm going to be moving out in April, and I'm going to start YouTube, and it's going like to do great, and you know, like all these things. I mean, YouTube is like a long journey. Like I know that it's not going to boom just straight away, but the fact that I'm moving out the second time in April, so like manifestations were like, you broke our rules. We agreed that we're going to move out in April. Why did you move out in January? So now we moved out in April, but I mean, basically in May, but I started like looking for the apartment and everything in April. Moved out into my new apartment on 29th of April. So basically, it's in April. Like I got my keys at 29th, so you know what I'm saying. So it's really like weird how manifestations work. It's like my best birthday gift that I can give to myself. So yes, you guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned for my next video when I'm going to move out from my other apartment. I really hope that you're enjoying this moving diaries. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much again, you guys, for sticking up for another video. And have a lovely day. Bye bye. Okay, that's it.